Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will take you to harvest figures. From the moment the figure ripens, it rated that you can only enjoy half of the fruit. But after mastering the skill, you can stand up to the birds and the raining season. Next, follow me to harvest today's figures. Come on! These are this year's summer fruits, which are widely cultivated in northern China. Their name is Chongpir. These cups filled with figures are the one we harvested today. This is my first time harvesting spring figures, and it's giving me an unexpected surprise because in previous years the winters were colder and the branches would be frozen and damaged. With the help of the disposable cup, you no longer have to worry about the birds stealing your figures before you are ready, even if they are already rotten on the tree. Each of these figures weighs over 100 grams, which is really amazing. I love spring. I love figures so much. When the rainy season arrives in July and August, this cup can also come in handy. Its waterproof feature can effectively reduce the cracking and decay of figures. For some overripe figures, they are hard to hold on to. They can only be given to these chickens. These chickens are raised from an egg. By this point, half of them have already died. It looks easy, but raising them is really difficult. After raising chickens for 7 months, just when they were about to lay eggs, they died right in front of me. Who could bear it? I must adjust my mode and work harder to learn how to raise chickens well so that they can grow up healthy and strong. The roughness of figures is not uniform. A few will ripen every 2 or 3 days, and these cups can be reused. When the figures are about to ripen, place the cups over the fruit. Be sure to be one step ahead of the birds. Otherwise, you will be left with the fruit steam the next day. That's it for this bird prevention video. As the fruit approach maturity, ant control will become to top priority. I'll talk more about how to prevent and control ants then. See you next time. Goodbye.